SES's offerings are likely designed to prepare students for successful careers in the rapidly evolving field of information technology, equipping them with the knowledge, skills, and hands-on experience needed to thrive in today's digital economy. If you're interested in learning more about specific programs offered USSC or how to enroll, I recommend contacting the college directly for further information.
Computer laboratories are integral to modern education and research in the field of computing. Here are some key aspects. Teaching and learning. Computer labs provide a hands-on environment for students to learn various aspects of computing, from basic computer literacy to advanced programming, networking, and multimedia design.
Research and development. In research institutions, computer labs serve as hubs for conducting experiments, simulations, and data analysis. Researchers use these facilities to explore new algorithms, develop software, and investigate complex computational problems. Specialized equipment. Some computer labs are equipped with specialized hardware such as high-performance servers, clusters, or graphics processing units, PUS, to support advanced computing tasks like scientific modeling, artificial. Collaborative spaces. Many computer labs are designed to facilitate collaboration among students or researchers. They may feature group workstations, interactive displays, or video conferencing tools to encourage teamwork and knowledge sharing. Access to software. Computer labs often provide access to a wide range of software applications and tools that may be expensive or difficult to install on personal computers. This enables users to explore new technologies and develop their skills without technical support. Computer labs typically offer technical support services to assist users with hardware and software issues, troubleshooting, and maintenance. This ensures that the equipment remains functional and up to date. Security and privacy. Given the sensitive nature of data and information stored on computers, computer labs implement security measures such as user authentication, data encryption, and network firewalls to protect against unauthorized access and cyber threats. AutoCAD training at SACS might include Introduction to AutoCAD, learning the interface, basic commands, and drawing tools, 3D drafting, creating and editing 2D drawings, including lines, shapes, text, and dimensions, 3D modeling, building 3D models of objects, structures, or components using solid modeling techniques, rendering and visualization, applying materials, textures, and lighting effects to create realistic renderings of 3D models. Advanced topics, exploring. Advanced Systems Plus Computer College, SASC, offers robotics courses or programs. It's likely part of their curriculum related to engineering, computer science, or similar field. Robotics is a multidisciplinary field that combines aspects of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and computer science to design, build, and operate robotic systems. Battle of the Brains could refer to various types of academic competitions or events held at Systems Plus Computer College, SSC, or similar institutions. These events are often designed to showcase students' knowledge, skills, and abilities in specific areas of study, such as programming, mathematics, or general knowledge. Laboratory work. Students enrolled in robotics courses may have access to dedicated robotics laboratories equipped with robotic kits, microcontrollers, Edge, Arduino, Raspberry Pi, sensors, motors, and other hardware components. These labs provide hands-on experience in building and programming robots. If you're interested in robotics and considering studying at STCC, I recommend reaching out to the college directly to inquire about their robotics programs, courses, and opportunities for hands-on learning and research. They should be able to provide you with detailed information about what they offer in this exciting field. Overall, AutoCAD training at STCC is likely designed to provide students with a solid foundation in computer-aided design principles and hands-on experience using industry-standard software. If you're interested in learning more about AutoCAD courses at STCC or enrolling in a program that includes AutoCAD training, I recommend reaching out to the college's administration or academic advisors for further information.